everyone! Today we're going to show you how to fix white edges caused by white ink misalignment. When this issue occurs, you will typically notice that the white ink layer behind the design is slightly misaligned or shifted outward. First, check your original image file. Zoom in on the design on a gray canvas background to make sure the white edges aren't coming from the image itself. If the image isn't the problem, open Idea Studio, go to the device settings and select Machine Calibration. Then, calibrate both the axis and y-axis. On the calibration chart, find the straightest line and enter the corresponding value to complete the calibration. Once that's done, return to the canvas, click Make to enter the print settings, and adjust the white layer shrink value based on how much the design is offset. If the problem still persists, please contact our customer support team for further troubleshooting and assistance.